Alright, the first step to installing the UPR drain valve is to remove the factory one. The factory drain valve is right on the front edge of the gas tank, the fuel tank, here in yellow, and it's made out of plastic and they're known to break. So what you do is you quarter turn to loosen it, and what this does is this drains out the contents of this whole housing here. This housing is to separate the water from the fuel, and ideally if you can separate out the fluid, you can see if there's water in the fuel because the water separates from the fuel. You'll see later when we install the UPR valve that it makes it much easier to collect the water into a bottle to see. But anyway, we're actually replacing the filters while we're in here. So step one is draining this whole housing, and we'll come back later when this is done draining, and we'll show you the installation of the UPR valve. Okay, since we're replacing the fuel filters while we're in here, what you do is you loosen the 5 8mm screws, and then you can take the whole filter housing down. Okay, this is what the filter housing looks like outside of the truck, and we're going to go ahead and replace this while it's out.
You don't need to remove the filter housing to install the UPR drain valve. However, if you're in the process of changing the filters like we are, it's a perfect time to do it. So as you can see, we've wiped out the filter housing, and it's as simple as just rolling it over. The valve has a couple little tangs on it, and bear with us because it's the first time we've done it too. We just kind of align the tangs and pull it out, and then you're going to put the new UPR drain valve back in place. It has the same tangs as factory. It's just going to make checking your fuel and making sure there's no water in there just so much easier. Plus it looks pretty cool. So as you can see, now we have this back together. After changing the filters, we put the cover back on and plugged in our water sensor. And don't forget to plug that wire in, it's pretty important. But now future service is going to be really easy with the UPR drain valve. You can check the water level in your fuel and get that taken care of real easily. Get yours at uprproducts.com or any UPR Products dealer.